If you use Windsurf, I highly recommend you checking their changelog every now and then because they make these updates and it seems like not a lot of people know about them. So a few weeks ago, they introduced Cascade Memories, and with the help of rules, you can set general global rules that will be applied to Cascade in all workspaces, and then you can set individual workspace rules which will apply to your project. So if you open up Windsurf and you head down to Windsurf settings, you've got set global AI rules and then you've got set workspace AI rules. So this is what I've been editing here. We've made a game for Make Code Arcade, and what I noticed was that the Make Code Arcade Python was different. So if I didn't keep reminding it that I'm using this specific platform, it was going to keep creating code that wasn't compatible. So I started making notes of these different things it was telling me when I was reminding it, and I've put these all in the Windsurf rules file, so you just save that. Now you can read all about the limitations of the Word files over in the documents. Things you need to pay attention to are the 6,000 character limit. It's not going to be perfect, but definitely check through these rules. And you also want to make sure that this is being added to git ignore. But again, definitely go and check this out, read about it. It's going to change the way you use Windsurf. It's going to save you a lot of headache. So highly recommend that.